If you do this one thing, your specific person can start thinking about you, reach out to you, and suddenly show up in your life faster than you expect. Have you ever randomly thought about someone out of nowhere and then suddenly they texted you? Here's what most people completely miss. You are already sending energy out 24/7. Every thought, every emotional spiral, every I miss them, every I wonder if they're thinking about me, every late night reply in your mind, that energy does not disappear. People feel it, even if they don't consciously realize it. But here's the problem: most people are sending desperate energy, neediness, fear, obsessive waiting, and that energy pushes people away, even the people who actually want to come closer. So today we're going to shift that. And for best results, listen to this meditation for 21 days straight. Repetition trains your mind, your energy, and your emotional state into magnetic alignment. This is where everything changes. So take a deep breath, hold it, and exhale slowly. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and for the next few minutes, you don't need to chase anything. You don't need to force anything. You only need to become magnetic. Now silently repeat in your mind, they are already thinking about me. They just don't know why. Again, they are already thinking about me. They just don't know why. Feel that. Not from desperation, from certainty. There's a reason they keep crossing your mind. There's a reason their energy feels close lately. There's a reason you clicked on this meditation. Energy connects people long before words ever do. Now breathe again and picture them for just a moment. They are feeling pulled towards you. They are feeling curious about you. They are feeling your energy more and more. Now repeat slowly. They miss me more than they want to admit. They feel drawn back to me naturally. They are thinking about reaching out. Again, they miss me more than they want to admit. They feel drawn back to me naturally. They are thinking about reaching out. Now here's the important part. Do not wait by your phone after this. That kills the energy instantly. Neediness blocks attraction. Confidence creates attraction. So after this meditation ends, get up, go outside, play music, clean your space, smile more, move your body. Live your life like this message is already done. Because the moment you stop chasing, you become magnetic. And that's when everything shifts. Now I want you to imagine something. Your phone lights up. It's them. Maybe it's a text. Maybe it's a call. Maybe it's their name appearing unexpectedly. See it clearly. Feel your body react. That rush in your chest. That sudden smile. That feeling of, I knew this was coming. Hold that feeling for a moment. Not excitement, but certainty. Because this isn't about begging someone to love you. It's about becoming the version of you that naturally attracts love, attention, communication, and connection. The version of you that no longer chases. The version of you that radiates calm certainty. And the more you practice this, the stronger that energy becomes. If this meditation shifted something inside of you, comment below, they will return. And subscribe so you don't miss the next transformation. And every day for the next 21 days, return to this meditation. Listen consistently. Let the words sink into your subconscious. Let your nervous system relax. Let your energy become clear, calm, and magnetic. And remember, you do not attract what you beg for. You attract what you embody. Your energy speaks before you ever say a word. So trust the process, trust the connection, trust yourself, and go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.